breakfast of champions, Mickey waffles, French toast, croissant, and a filled donut.
That is what you call a super carb
breakfast. Jason had eggs and bacon.
Super low carb. So
yeah.
we balance each other out very well.
Yeah. I like sweets. Can you tell I like sweets? With a big thing of maple syrup right in the middle.
Nice stuffed donut.
Mmm. So we've noticed that where you get the good Caribbean music is on the back of cabanas, huh? Other than that, it's been no music or Christmas music on this cruise.
You don't get any music sitting next to the pool, that's for sure. But get a little bit piped in when you're eating at the cabanas.
Yeah.
Reggae music, Caribbean vibes. There's some big old waves out there.
There are some big waves. We're just, yeah. The sun is over there, but it's behind clouds. We're gonna have another overcast day. I just love this view. Yeah, there's some waves out there. So we have day passes that we pre-purchased before the cruise for the Rainforest Room in the spa.
Yeah.
So that's like their thermal suite. So we're about to go and do some relaxation for a little while.
Yep, use them up, chill.
Yeah, chill day. For you. Can I have yours? Yes. Alright, all set. Hello. And so here's the Rainforest Room. You have to have a band to get in. Very peaceful in here, so you can see the water. It's very tranquil. There's only a few people in here right now, so you've got towels. This is the mild steam room here. And there's these amazing loungers. And then this is got a nice seating area. And over here is the aromatic steam room. Not going to open those. And then the tropical rain showers. Can I give these showers a try? This is the Tropical Thunder.
Which one is this one?
Tropical Thunder.
Tropical Thunder. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Huh. I would expect Tropical Thunder to be warm.
It's got a good, you know, pretty full of water.
Yeah. Okay, this next one is called Cold Clog. That's a different kind of and then the last one is just a rain shower. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah. This is your favorite. That looks like it would be my favorite. See, so all of them are cold?
Yeah.
To cool you down after being in the hot.
That's pretty nice. Really cool to that.
So how do you like the thermal suite here? How are the steam rooms?
Steam rooms are good. This one here is like humongous. It's got like stone beds in it you can lay down on. And it's got like sinks, faucets, it's launch space in there. It's really cool. You have to just come in and see it and show it. It's small in here, but it's nice.
Hang on, we're fogging up. Oh look, there's nobody in the beds now. Got the beds all to myself. Is there anyone in there?
Anyone see this?
See if there's anyone in there. I don't want to interrupt if anyone's in there. Oh yeah. Okay.
Chairs and sinks. And it's got this big stone bed.
Oh yeah.
It goes all the way around, way over here.
Oh yeah, it is big.
It's got eucalyptus in it.
Yeah, it says aromatic.
And it is more powerful. Hotter.
So I have the Rainforest Room completely to myself right now, which is very unusual because when we first got in here there were quite a few people. But I tell you what, this is so relaxing. I can lay on these stone benches. They're hot stone benches for a very long time just to relax. Jason likes the steam rooms. I like to just lay on these benches and chill. So it's the best of both worlds for us. But just look how peaceful this is in here. So this is my view right here. Just peace and tranquility. My feet propped up. The rain showers are right there. The two steam rooms are here and here. And I have it all to myself. But you hear the nice, quiet, peaceful, relaxing music. That's nice. And there's cold ice water over there if you get too hot. And the rain showers are cool if you get too hot. But these warm benches, they literally, it's like they get into your muscles and just relax your muscles. And so if you've been, so today's the last day of our cruise. So we've been we walk a lot. So on a cruise, I have my little activity tracker and we walk. The highest day was in Nassau and we walked over 20,000 steps or over 8 miles in a day. So that's a lot of walking. And so your feet and your calf muscles get really tired. So laying on these benches, that warmth just seeps into your muscles and it's just fantastic. Definitely recommend the day pass. You can buy a full week here, and we've bought the full week on other cruises before, but we just bought a single day pass. And here's a little tip: if you buy it online before your cruise, it was $16 per person. On the ship, a day pass is $27 per person. So that's $11 difference. So definitely, if you're even considering this, buy it online. Save you a nice chunk of money. Now I'm gonna relax. Good night. Not really, but you know. Okay, so Jason got me in the steam room, and I don't go in steam rooms normally, but we had it completely to ourselves, and that was nice and relaxing. So we just laid out, this is a big steam room, so we just laid out a towel and laid down on the bench with a pillow behind our, or a folded towel pillow behind our head. Now I'm gonna go check out the showers. So you like this one best?
Yeah, I like the rain shower. So we're gonna let Elisa give it a go. It's gonna be cold at first. Okay, this is the tropical thunder. Go ahead and get underneath there.
Well, that's cold.
That's
very cold.
I told you.
Ooh, okay, let's try this one.
Cold fog. Is it cold, honey?
Yeah.
Got cool blue lights. You like it? Which one's your favorite?
Oh yeah. Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, these are definitely the nicest hot stone chairs that we've sat in. They're the right temperature to where you don't have to put a towel on them. They're not too hot.
Yeah.
But they're just right, and they contour. They're wider.
They're very comfortable.
They're the most comfortable ones we've sat on, for sure.
So we've tried the spa on several ships now, the thermal suite of the spa, and these are fantastic.
And another cool feature is if you're sitting here by yourself and you want a little privacy, they have curtains in between them that you can draw and get your privacy if you'll see there.
If you're a couple, you can keep them open.
Pull it all the way over. If you're a couple, you can keep them open. So all in all, nice spa. It's small. There's no windows, but it gets the job done.
Yeah. Time for the deck party.
Okay, everybody, on the count of 3, I want you to say Aloha Stitch. 1, 2, 3. Aloha Stitch.
Hey, Stitch. Look at you looking all festive. Oh my gosh, is this for me? Thank you so much for the Hawaiian lei. Now, are you here to help us with the coconut pass? It's the perfect gift for the holidays. And I think I hear the Hawaiian Christmas song. Maliki Liki Maka. Let me see you out the hula into this song. Let me see it. So, when you hula, your hips move like this. Ma'am. There we go.
There it is.
Over!
Grab it and under.
Oh, all right. Let's turn around, okay? Everyone face me. Let's see how fast we can go. Stitch, are you ready? Okay, and go. Over.
Get our Christmas in the Caribbean on.
It's a wardrobe malfunction. That's right.
Sun will shine by day and all the stars at night.
Let me see you up over here. You're not.
The party is just starting. Look at us. We're all going to do our holiday hula hooping session right
Oh
now.
my gosh, who's gonna come out?
Hello. Of course, it is none other than Goofy and Pluto.
Oh, hey, Goofy.
Hey, Pluto. Looking good, party animal.
Oh my goodness. You know what? Let's see. Let's get some holiday hula hoopers out here.
And we got some trained professionals in the house here.
Yeah, I can't hula hoop to save my life. Let me see, Goofy. Let me see what you got. Oh, on the arm. Look at that. Look at that. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, yes, Chad!
Yes, Chad! Yes! That was awesome, Chad. Let's hear it for Chad. All right, kids, let's see what you got.
Here we go! And roll it out. Point it out all the way around. Again! Okay, now get your paws up. Walk over.
All right, here they come. They're getting closer, Natasha.
Oh, they are.
Who's gonna get here first? What do you think? Oh, and then we have Mickey, Stitch, and Pluto. Hey, Nick. Hey, Stitch.
Welcome back, everybody.
Hey, Pluto.
We hope you've had a magical, very merry time cruise on the Disney Wonder.
Thank you so much for decking the deck with us. We couldn't have done it without all of your hard work and fun.
But now it's time to keep on dancing as we say goodbye to some of our favorite friends. So everyone say Aloha Stitch!
Aloha, Stitch. Now everyone say anchors away, Chippendale, or should we say limbo away?
Oh, look at them go! And ho, 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 Goofy and Pluto, away you go!
Woohoo! Everyone after 3 say Happy Holidays, Mickey and Minnie. 1, 2, 3.
Happy holidays, Mickey and Minnie!
Oh, so cute. Thank you guys for coming bye. Happy holidays, everyone. See ya.
So, watch you make some of this yummy pizza. You're pretty awesome. You did that in like 35 seconds. Awesome.
And then 2 pieces of this one right up here.
Nice. Ooh, can I have a piece of that straight out of the oven?
You want cheese then?
Ooh.
Want cheese? Cheese, 2 pieces.
Pass up getting freshly baked pizza. Yum, yum. So that is really good. Freshly baked, straight out of the oven. Hot, yummy, delicious pizza. So I'm just waiting on Jason. Look who just showed up. Yay!
How's everybody doing?
Good.
I'm all fresh.
You're all fresh.
Fresh, showered and clean and ready.
Ready for the day, huh?
We had a leisurely start.
Yes. We're gonna have a good, fun last day at sea, huh? When you sail through the Gulf of Mexico, you're gonna see oil rigs. And that's not very far from the ship, so I'm zoomed in. This is actual view. That's not far away from us. So I can see it pretty clearly with my eyes. It's a big, fully functioning oil rig. Okay, so I had pizza, but Jason is having a seafood medley.
No, this is the
seafood gumbo?
seafood gumbo.
Was it good?
It's not bad.
And then
It's got a lot of okra in it, which I like.
yeah, they have all kinds of awesome seafood. Look, I got you some of the grilled shrimp. I saw you missed it.
A lot of meat. We have meatloaf, Swedish meatballs, and some clams. I'm gonna try my hand at these again because I found the crackers this time.
Yeah.
And then they had some raised brisket, which I'm interested to try, with some horseradish sauce. I'm gonna go into that first. Go for that first. Different.
Yeah, the texture of it looks different. Is it good?
Nothing like. It's good, but it's not like the brisket I've ever.
That's not like the brisket we cook at
It's
home.
almost.
is it?
It almost tastes like corned beef kind of.
Yeah, that's the texture it looks like.
Yeah. Something about it being braised, I guess. Changes the texture of it.
Maybe so.
I
Yeah.
like it. I like the different.
And you got boiled shrimp, and I got you some grilled shrimp. I saw you missed those.
Oh.
So I got you some grilled shrimpies.
I'm gonna get me some more of them. I like them.
All right, I'll go get you some more of those. They're good, aren't they? I went and got him some more shrimp and found pork ribs too.
Lucy knows I like ribs. They're good.
Yeah, you can eat lots and lots of good meat on this buffet.
There's a lot of good meat. Meatloaf, Swedish meatballs, ribs, shrimp. I like this buffet.
Yeah, so if you're doing a, what is it called, keto, where you don't, is it keto?
diet,
Yeah.
No carbs, high protein.
They got you covered here.
Like a turkey or something they're carving up there.
I saw that too. Look what I found for dessert. They just brought out the pan of peach cobbler. So I had the first scoop of it out of the pan. And then that is a vanilla cream sauce on top.
Oh man.
Oh man, let's give this a try.
You can't beat some good hot peach cobbler.
Oh man.
Oh, that's the best. That's
That
gonna
is
be a hard one for me.
So good. It's
The
warm.
vanilla cream sauce looks, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Is it sitting next to it? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, the vanilla sauce is right next to it. So you just get your scoop and then pour the sauce on it and you're in heaven. We decided we're gonna head down here to the Buena Vista Theater and catch a movie. Christopher Robin is playing.
We've missed a bunch of it.
We've missed about 20 minutes of it, but
We got some after dinner coffee.
yeah.
We're gonna sit down and we're going to relax. After you, honey.
Well, we had to abandon the movie idea because the movie theater is full.
Yeah, change plans. We walked in there, had no idea it was going to be, but it was slap full.
Yeah, and the movie started 20 minutes ago, so we've already missed a little
So
bit
it's
of
like,
it.
well, we've heard it was good,
Mm-hmm.
so we'll wait and see it from the beginning and do it right.
Yeah.
Oh, do they show it again today?
No.
Ah, what else do they show? Let's go see.
Ralph Breaks the Internet.
I don't want to see that.
I do.
I wasn't a Wreck-It Ralph fan.
I like Wreck-It Ralph. So Ralph Breaks the Internet, and then Avengers Infinity War comes on after that. Hi. Here's the schedule for the rest of the day. So Christopher Robin is the only time it's being showed today. And then we've got Ralph Breaks the Internet, and then Avengers Infinity War, and then Avengers again, and then Ralph Breaks the Internet again at 11 p.m. Which we will not be up for that one. So now we have to decide what we're going to do, because that was our plan. I want to see Wreck-It Ralph too. This is the Jack Jack Baby Race.
That baby's just like, what do you want? Well, that's it.
That's so cute. So we've decided to do a little shopping on this lovely Rocky Sea day. So, yeah, we need a mug and we need a magnet. Oh, that's pretty.
Mugs. We're fresh out of where we can put mugs.
Oh, but we love our mugs.
So many, we don't have nowhere to put them.
Ah, but I love this one. Actually, I don't love that one. I don't like the new Mickey.
I don't like the handle.
Yeah, and the handle's weird. I don't like the new Mickey. I like the classic Mickey. So cute. There's a lot of Christmas stuff in here. Oh, that's cute. But again, that's the new Mickey. Yeah, so these are the little
Like
butter knives that they have in Animator's palette. So for $9.95. Yeah. That's cool that you can buy those. That's neat. Oh, I like this. That's cool.
That's sure.
In love with the captain. Oh, I like that. The original captain. Because Steamboat Willie. Ooh. That one? Yeah. Yeah, that's a cute one. That one's $27.99. Oh, it all started with a cruise. It all started with a cruise. I don't like that they're dated though. I don't like dated t-shirts. So we're looking at the magnets over here. And the problem with the magnets is they are just Disney Cruise Line magnets. They don't say the Disney Wonder. So this one is the ship, but it doesn't have the ship name on it. And then see, they're very cute, but they're just Disney Cruise Line, not the ship itself. So we're on a mission to find the ship. Okay, so we found the Disney Cruise Line Wonder established 1999 magnet. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's got the name on it.
This is exactly what this is exactly what. Shouldn't Elisa have these?
Elisa needs a new pair of Mickey shoes because my Mickey shoes went kaput because I wore them so much.
I think they would look great with what you have on right now too. Let's try them on.
Yeah.
What size do you wear?
I normally wear
6?
7.
Try a 7. Let's try a 7.
All right, we're gonna try these on.
So, Lisa is going to try them on. You have to think about it. You tighten them. Are you going to tie them up?
From what?
They loose.
Yeah, they fit good.
They look good. Cute.
They're cute.
Well, you're cute.
Aw, thank you, honey.
Yeah, they're cute. They're looks like something you would wear.
I can wear them to Disney World next month too.
It's gonna be cold. Better wear socks with them.
I will.
You got enough room to
Yeah, I
wear
got enough for socks. So I should get them.
I think so, yeah.
You're terrible.
You see them? Gonna get her some Mickey shoes.
They are cute.
All right.
Well, $72 later.
We got the magnet, we got the ornament, and we got the shoes.
I got shoes. Yeah, shoes, Christmas ornament, and a magnet.
Very cool.
So we are heading into, ooh, the ship's rocking. We're heading into the Walt Disney Theater. They're having a magic show.
Yep.
And we haven't seen this guy, so we're gonna go check out the magic show.
Actually make the ball penetrate through the cup into the shot glass. It is amazing.